What is our concern? Our concern is to look at the consequences of colonial education for the islanders. So they got colonial education, they lost their traditional techniques. They replaced it with Navik Shastram and Nuri tables. That's the book taught them. And they believed the British tale of superiority. They did not check. They should have checked. They should have been critical. They never critically compared the two methods. They just accepted that British method and colonial method as superior. Just as we accepted the inferior Gregorian calendar without critical appraisal. Now this colonial education built independency. Okay. For example, when you use the Gregorian calendar, you must ritually recite the myth of Jesus. So because of colonial education, the islanders needed to use the sextant, or the kaman as they call it. It's made of steel. They don't produce steel, small coral islands. So they had to purchase this instrument at great cost from far off Bombay. And because they could not afford, what they could afford was inferior and had a lower accuracy, only about 1 degree compared to the kamal. Since it could not be made locally, they became dependent for their livelihood on colonial technology and colonial knowledge, Nuri tables, etc. So they became consumers of knowledge instead of producers of knowledge. So they became slavishly colonized.